Hi guys, currently I'm running the OS with High Sierra, I think this one, macOS High Sierra. I want to install Ruby on Rails on my macOS. I following this tutorial. One step is if you not yet install the Xcode is uh, the application that should be neat, but this command is to install Homebrew on your macOS system. After the installing Homebrew and the Xcode, you can continue the tutorial. Now I already install on progress. First step is this command. It will be take a couple of time to install this. So I will pause this video so you're not boring with the waiting. Okay, see you in the next after I complete this session. Okay, this installation is okay. Now after I install, I think this command. Okay, after I install this, I need to use this one. Okay, this depend on your terminal. I'm not using bus, I'm using the ZFS, so I need to change this one to ZFS. ZSH. Yes. Okay. After that, so I need to use this, or I exit this terminal, I start it again. So I quit terminal, and then I activated the terminal again to make sure this already using ZFS. Okay, next tutorial is this one. You can use this one, but I prefer to restart the terminal. So now I'm using this. So it's depend on your what you want to install, your Ruby. If you want to check which Ruby version, the latest one, you go to the website and check the Ruby version. So the preview release is version 3, but the stable release I think is 272. So I copy this one, I paste here, and then enter. Again, this take a couple of minutes. So I pause the video and I will continue again when finished. Thank you. Hello, it's done already. So I'll try to check my Ruby version. It's still the old one. So I think I need to kill my terminal and do it again. So it's still using the old one. I need to running this command. Try again. Is 272. This is the old one and this is the new one. The next step is I skip this step, so I need to continue on the installing rail. This one. You can check the version on the latest rail. So you can install the latest version on your rail system. So the latest version is, for example, here 6.1. This video created on 13th of December. Okay, and next steps. So I copy this one. So I paste here, but I changed the version to 6.1. Of course, it will take a couple of minutes to, so I will pause the video. So the installation here is done. It's already installed the rail. Surprise is not get error here, but I think you can check the version rail. Oh, this is because we not yet quit the terminal. I need to check it, sorry. Now I have rail on my Mac. So the first thing I need to create a project. This step is to install a database like SQLite, MySQL, or PostgreSQL if you want. But I don't want to install the database first. I need to create the application. First I need to make directory app, cd app. So here I create mkdir rails cd rails and make new app, rail my app. This is will create and download the application that need to running when you first time create the project. So it's not take long, but after this I think it will be give note that we need to install Node.js. Also application that require to running rail. Let's see. First I need to pause, I think, because this take a couple of minutes to done. So here the latest I need to install Node.js. So brew install Node.js. Because here it say need Node.js. Okay, it take a couple of minutes to done. So I pause this video. Okay, after I use this one, is done, and then I repeat my command. Yes. Okay. I have another. I should install yarn. So yarn. Okay, done to install yarn. I need to repeat the command again. Yes. This take a couple of minutes because they will download the all application they need. So I need to pause again. Okay, after I install, I need to clear this first, and then here my directory cd my app. When I used to list all file, it create a file that all need to running Ruby on Rails. So it's a lot of file here. You can try to use 3 to see all file. This one, 8687 file. Okay, I need to clear again, and then to start the Rails application. So I need to. This is on my application directory now. Is Rails S. Sorry. This is will start the Rails application. So I need to copy this to see the application Ruby on Rails. So I paste on here and I enter. It should be appear here Rails Ruby on Rails on your system is version 6.1.0. You can also type localhost port to 3000 to see the URL. Okay, that's it. This tutorial how to install your Ruby on Rails on your Mac. This Mac OS is version High Sierra version. So I hope this tutorial is useful for you, and you can share and like this tutorial if you think it is useful, and you can share with your friend. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.